Hello everyone, I'm Abhilash Nagila. I'm a Senior Specialist Solutions Architect here at AWS focused on data and analytics. In today's session, we are going to dive deep into a powerful search feature in OpenSearch Service that can seriously level up your search experience, which is nothing but synonyms, the secret sauce of smart searching. Let's start by looking at the demo that we are going to build for today's video. Like I just explained, synonyms are essential part of Amazon OpenSearch Service. They can be really helpful in improving the overall search results relevance. In Amazon OpenSearch Service, synonyms define alternate phrases or terms with the same or similar meaning as the original search term. As you can see in this demo flow, as a user, we are going to create a synonym file that makes user to search for different words that has same meaning. Something like a backpack, packsack, or rucksack. With OpenSearch Service, these becomes interchangeable. Amazon OpenSearch Service offers an option to upload synonyms just like the one that we are building for this demo as a custom directory files which contains top words and synonyms alongside various pre-packaged optional plugins that can be linked to your Amazon OpenSearch Service domain. Once you create a package of your choice and link it to Amazon OpenSearch Service, you can then instruct OpenSearch to disregard common words or to consider certain terms such as backpack, packsack, rucksack as synonyms, just like the one that we are trying to build for this example. With that, let's quickly switch to AWS console and build the demo. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the synonyms file. Let me show you the synonym file I just created. I've created the synonyms and saved them as demo synonyms.txt file. Then I switched to my AWS console, went to Amazon S3, picked bucket of my choice, created a synonyms directory under that, and I'm uploading the demo synonyms file we just saw. Clicking on upload, file is uploaded successfully. Now I'm going to copy the S3 URI of that file and use it in the later steps. With that, I'm going to switch to OpenSearch Service console, go to packages, and first create a package out of this text file that we just uploaded. I'm going to create on import a package. I'm going to name it as demo text synonyms, and I'm going to give the S3 URI here, and I'm going to say import. Okay, remember this package ID. This is important. I'm going to right click this and copy this package ID, and I'll tell you why and where we are going to use that package ID in a bit. Okay, the package is available for use now. With that, I'm going to switch to my domains. I have an OpenSearch domain already. I'm clicking on that OpenSearch domain, going to package section. I'm going to click on associate packages and I can select the packages here. As you can see, I can select any of the pre-existing plugins, or I can just filter on text plugin. This is the one we just created, so demo text synonyms. I'm selecting that, associating with this specific domain. The package association is completed and it looks active now. With that, let's quickly switch to OpenSearch dashboard to leverage the synonym packages we just created. I just logged into my OpenSearch dashboards. I'm expanding this hamburger. Under management, I'm going to dev tools. And first thing I'm going to do is create an index. As you can see, I copied F127075473 is the package ID. I pasted that package ID here, and I'm going to create an index first. Okay, index is created. Next, I'm going to use OpenSearch bulk API to import some sample records into the index that we created, demo synonyms. Then let's leverage synonyms to search this search query that I'm passing. I'm searching for rucksack, but since we have created a synonym for rucksack with backpack, I'm expecting this to result backpack as well. Let's test this. There you go. It resulted me the right response that I was expecting from this search query. This concludes our video, and in this video you have learned how to offer additional suggestions in Amazon OpenSearch and how to handle synonyms in Amazon OpenSearch. And please do check out our OpenSearch documentation and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay on top of the latest updates.